Hey there, and welcome to this helpful guide. In today's video, you'll learn how to disable diagnostic data collection in the OneDrive app on your Android phone. This option helps protect your privacy by stopping the app from sending optional usage data to Microsoft, which is often used for improving future versions. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Permissions. Find the option labeled Optional Diagnostic Data. Toggle the switch to the off position. Once turned off, OneDrive will stop sending extra diagnostic and app usage data to Microsoft. That's it. Disabling this setting is a small but effective way to reduce data sharing. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more tutorials on our channel.